guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you a very quick tutorial on how to get gorgeous nails at home and on a budget. Today I'll be using these Nail Bliss Pro Gel press-on nails. I get compliments on my nails all the time and nobody believes that I actually do these at home myself. But let me tell you, press-on nails are not what they used to be. If you remember maybe 10 years ago, if you tried press-on nails, they would maybe last all of 5 minutes. But now I can get these babies to last about 7 days, maybe a little longer. So here I'm just showing you everything that comes in the little nail kit. It comes with glue and a file and assortment of nail sizes. First, I just need to take out all of the nails from the packet and lay them all out so that I can see them all pretty equally. This Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue is my secret weapon when doing this. The kit comes with a little glue that's great for touch-ups, but this glue, which is sold separately, is definitely a lot more like a professional glue and gets them on right the first time. So first things first, just laying out all the nails and sizing them for each finger. Another trick in order to keep them lasting a little longer so they don't pop off throughout the day is to make sure they're not too big for your nail. If the nail hangs out over your skin at all, they will come off easier. So now that I've got them all laid out in the order that I want and the sizes that I need for each finger from thumb to pinky, I'm taking the small file that comes with the package and just kind of roughing up each nail. You don't have to do this like crazy, get wild filing your nail. Just rough it up a little bit. It helps the glue and the nail grip to your nail a little bit easier, I find. Like I said, you can use the glue that comes with the packaging. I just like this nail glue a lot better, but it does dry very quickly, so you have to make sure you move fast. The key with all of this is not using too much glue. I know you like to think that using more glue will help it stay longer. It actually will just create a huge mess and make your fingers stick together and actually make the nails pop off a lot easier. So you can see that on each nail I'm just creating a nice small dot of glue in the center and then quickly grabbing the nail, lining it up perfectly with my cuticles and the edges of my finger and placing the nail down. Once you get the nail in a perfect position, give it a nice, good, firm squeeze for about 10 or 15 seconds, and then move on to the next nail. Once I get all the nails on my fingers, I like to go through and give them each one last final squeeze. I didn't want to show you doing my whole right hand off camera, so here's me just finishing up that final nail on the other hand and just going through one more time and giving them a good firm squeeze on each one to just make sure they're really on there and none of them are moving around or need to be re-glued. Now I'm going to take that little file again. Sometimes the nails come out of the packaging with a little bit of a rough edge. I think because they're made of plastic and they're all made in one big kit, so they're not perfect. So I'll just go through and smooth the edges a little bit, but I do like the shape, so I'm trying to keep the shape as it is. If you want to file a length down, these are very easy to file down if needed. And if these are too long and too crazy for you, I'm going to show you an example really quick of some great sport length nails that I've done as well. And these are awesome and very simple, and they are the Kiss brand of gel press-on nails. I've had great experiences with both brands in the past, but that's all for today's quick video. Thanks, see you guys later.